Hey there, ready to dive into the world of digital creativity faster than you can say click? Let me introduce you to the digital photography, vlogging, and YouTube bundle for beginners. This gem, it's your complete starter pack for becoming the visual genius you always knew you could be. Imagine unboxing a snazzy camera that's practically whispering, "Hey there, future pro." A DSLR or mirrorless beauty with an 18 to 55 mm lens to snap those awe-inspiring landscapes or candid portraits. It's perfect for uncovering secrets of shadows and light. Even better, you're learning the magic spell of photography just by holding it. Don't wobble when it comes to stable shots. That basic tripod? It's like your travel-sized bodyguard for crisp, clear imagery. Forget shaky hands. Get firm action on slow shutter speeds and long exposures without the dreary blur. And oh, the sounds we're overlooking, an external microphone that's keener on your voice than a gossip aficionado. No more annoying background noise, just pure, professional audio that captures your story with clarity. Charge forward with that USB battery charger and keep the creative chaos alive. Convenience never looked so sleek. All of this in one perfect package designed for newbies. It's almost unfair how easy it is to get started. Curious? No need to rethink. Hit the link in the description and kickstart your journey today. Trust me, future you is already thanking you.